Hi Divas, today I have a round Diamond Art Club kit to bring you. It's one of their older stock, but it's so adorable. I had been thinking about it for such a long time and I want to show it to you today. So let's unbox. She believed she could, and she did. She believed she could. By, let's see, the artist name is Lisa Francis Judd. She has such cute paintings. Let me get out the goodies here. Come on. Oh. Okay. Let's get the goodies out here. She believed she could. Diamond art. It's got a little bird and a branch on it. It's a good reminder. Sometimes we don't believe in ourselves enough, and I think it's a good reminder. Good affirmation to think about. In this kit, let's see the goodies we got in this kit. We have baggies to kit up in. We have a clear plastic drill tray with a stopper. We have two multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. This one seems to have some extra flashing on the side. It didn't come off quite perfectly. Sometimes I take a nail file and file the edges of them to get them nice and straight again. Sometimes they don't always stay straight. You get a random color pen and squishy. You get a heart with 2 hearts of wax in a little sealed container to keep them moist. And you get some washi tape. Where is the end here? I'll show you the washi tape. That keeps the drills straight along the edge. It keeps the edges from getting dirty, and you can use it to section off your canvas if you'd like to. Or you can use it in your journals and workbooks. That's the way I like to use them, in my journals and workbooks. I don't always put them in the side. I also use them when I kit up in those little plastic boxes that have the you know, they come in 24 in a kit. 4 of them, they're kind of like stuck together in a row. I put this down first, and then I put the stickers on top of that, because this is easy to peel off that plastic. Those other stickers, you try to like use your fingernail to take them off. I put this down first. And then you get a cover minder. Cover minder is something that you put the one magnet underneath the entire canvas, you pull the plastic back, and you snap the top of the cover minder on, so that it keeps the plastic in place and out of your way while you're diamond painting. Okay. And we put all this back together and put it aside so that we can look at the goodies, the real goodies here. Not always easy to get everything back in its little kit. There we go. All right. And let's get into the painting. Alright, I'm going to roll it backwards. And as I'm doing this, I'm going to encourage you to like and subscribe. Ring that little bell if you'd like to see more. I do have sneak peeks from Diamond Art Club, so you may want to sign up so that you can see, click the bell so that you know when they're coming up, when they come out. Alright, here is, this is so pretty. She believed she could. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little bird up here, the cartoon bird in the sky, and this pretty branch that comes through. Now, since this is a round, you won't see it picture perfect in the background, because the color has to come up from behind the round drills and from in between the round drills. So that's why it's not color perfect. You won't get guide circles on Diamond Art Club, but you will have slight circles so that have the correct color out around the outside. They have to keep it clear. The symbol's very clear so you can see them well. So that's how they do that. This is the big sticker that you get. It gives you the title, the artist name, it gives you a chance to put in the start and end date, it gives you a really clear picture of what it's going to look like finished, and it gives you all the dimensions and other details at the bottom. Then it gives you each individual little stickers for helping you kit up. It says a sequence number, it gives you the symbol, and it gives you the DMC color number. In this kit we have 36 different colors. The first 2 that are under the number 150 for Diamond Art Club are going to be Aurora Borealis drills. They're shiny drills that reflect the color of the light around it. So let's keep that aside. You also get a thank you from the owner, Angie, and it has all the things you need in it, directions and tips and tricks, and even invitations to the Diamond Art Club VIP group, and additional discounts. Here are your drills. They come in a pack with the inventory number on it, and also the label, the title of the artwork on it. Pardon the crinkling. I hope it's more of an ASMR for you rather than a problem. Let's go through the drills, and I'll point out the Aurora Borealis drills when we find them in here, okay? Oh, here are the beautiful blues for the background colors, the teals. Oh my gosh, look at the greens. They're so pretty. And we get into the yellows, some of the browns. Oh, here's one of the Aurora Borealises. This is the green. I'm going to cut this out of the train so we can look at it more closely. All right. And more of the colors in the kit. More of the colors in the kit. On this channel, we also do sneak peeks of upcoming sales for Diamond Art Club and other crafting goodies as well, like happy planners and kind of cross stitch and junk journaling and art journaling and beading. And this is the other Aurora Borealis. It's an orange. Very pretty. So, let's move these drills over so we can see where on the canvas these special drills will go. So we have one, looks like the orange. So we look for the number 1 on the canvas here. And where are the number 1s? They're in the leaves. There's a little bit in the leaf here. That's the orange Aurora Borealis you see here. Where are the rest of the ones? There's some in the bird. A little bit. A little bit here, a little bit there. Huh. Unless I'm not seeing them, and I do have my glasses on. I must not be seeing all of them. I know there's more. There's some in the leaves. In the leaves and in the bird. So for the green, for the number 2s, this is the chartreuse type of green. Oh, in the leaves for sure. All over. And close to the branches here. Do I have any 2s in his... in the bird? No, not that I can see. I think I might replace something like in his in his tail. Maybe I'd put some sparklers in there. You can even put a quad in the middle, because they come in like these two in 4s, and then put a few quads in there. I just do it in the tail though. I wouldn't do it like around it. It's the same symbol that's around the outside of the bird, but I just do it in the tail, just to spark that up a bit, to draw some more attention to him. Now, something with the words, and I noticed, this is a good thing I've noticed, in the words it's all one color. The letters are all one color. They're not of shades of a color. You can't really see them that way. They have to be one color, and they have to be outlined in another single color. And it looks like that's the way they are. I really like that. I really do like that. So, she believed she could. What do you need to believe you can do? Put that in the box below, in the comments below. And let me know if you're going to purchase this kit. Have you done it? Have you already put it together? And let me know how you like it. I think it's going to be beautiful when it's done, and I'm going to change out some sparklers in here. So, I hope to see you again soon. I hope you can join the Workbasket family in the future. Don't forget our Tea and Talk Tuesday nights from 10 p.m. till midnight. And I hope to see you there, Eastern Standard Time. Bye, Divas.